Do you want to become a profitable trader? Hi, I'm CA Rudramurthy, author, trader, and trainer. Welcome you to Easy Money Show. Yes, yesterday Nifty ended 35 points down, whereas Bank Nifty was more or less flat, ending just 5 points down and closed at the same levels where it had closed week last week on Friday. That was the close it continued. Let me tell you very clearly, Reliance Industry seeing that continued profit booking and selling from those levels of 2250 plus, which it had made just before the 44th AGM, and FIIs have been continuously selling this market and they're not allowing this market to go beyond 16,000 level. If you also see for monthly options, which is expiring on the last week of July, now itself there is huge open interest which has been built at levels of 16,000, and for weekly option you have seen even 15,900 call getting sold heavily, and at lower volatility index also option sellers are defending those levels of 15,900 and 16,000. But let me give you one very important caution. No doubt there is distribution seen, as I have told you in my Easy Money Show, seen in large cap, and index is struggling to break this 15,900 to 16,000, and markets have been overextended now for a long time, waiting due for another good profit booking, which is always good for a bull market. But let me tell you, you have to stay very light on your trading longs. Investment position is a different ball game, but on a trading long position, especially in F&O, if you have any, you have to reduce your long quantity at these levels, reduce your leverage and move to cash if you can, and move away from momentum and go to value stock. Also, this is not the time to chase high beta. You have to remain in low beta stock, where the movement in these stocks are much lower than the movement in index. You have to be very stock specific and sector specific in this market, and select outperformance in specific stock can be seen in mid as well as small cap. Now if you see the COVID number of cases, it has come below 50,000. Active cases were at once upon a time adding around 4 lakh plus cases every day. Now that number is below 50,000, but market is struggling to make a move on the higher side. But let me also tell you a very important caution, especially for those who are trading in F&O market. For some reason you get a very positive news and you see break of 16,000, all these people who have sold call option at 15,900 and 16,000 strike price, they will run for cover. That itself will take the market up by another 300 to 500 point on Nifty. But for this to happen, you have to have a fundamental news trigger which will take the market with a gap up open and take it out of those levels of 16,000, when these call writers will run for cover. I'm not telling it will happen, but one has to be cautious and you have to preempt a move like this. If by chance you are one of those call writers, you have to be very cautious. Now, for me, yesterday's finance minister Nirmala Sitharaman scandal had no impact at all. However, all the credit guarantee schemes which he has announced, and also continuation of the food security, whatever has been extended by government in these pandemic times, has been extended and has been continued, which market considers positive. However, there has been no much out of money flow happening from government. It has been more just a guarantee scheme, but in this situation that itself will act as very stronghold. Now getting back to Reliance on chart, if you want to see very closely what is happening on Reliance, let me clearly tell you that yes, Reliance is now, after a continuous selling what it has already seen, is now looking closer to its very crucial supports of 2000 to 2050, and this level will act as a very crucial support. Let us just look at the chart of Reliance Industry, and you can see in Reliance, After this continuous selling for last 5 days, which you have seen here, the strong 20-day moving average and support emerges closer to this range of 2030-40 to 2060-70 zone. So in a day or two, it will hold this support and at least give a pullback. This is something which we told right at the top here, that Reliance Industry will see profit booking before AGM. When I hinted this with clarity, what happened later remains just a history. Now guys, this is where learning of market, technicals, chart reading and understanding the market psychology is very crucial, and that what you get in the power of market profile. So for today I expect mild profit booking and even a small amount of sell off which can happen, and one has to be very cautious on the long side and be very stock specific. So I don't see any opportunity for me to recommend you any good mid and small cap stocks with lot of margin of safety at current level. So the best trade is to wait out and allow fools to trade. Let us just have a very restful peaceful day for the day and allow fools to trade, and I am taking rest. Thanks for so many of you who have even put me a comment saying that Rudra's energy is bit down. Yes, 3 full day non-stop class of zero to millionaire, which was a live program. Around 500 people attended this zero to millionaire program who enjoyed the profitable trading secrets and achieving one's financial freedom at the earliest. You have seen all the comments of these guys and their feedbacks and testimony in my Twitter handle. I am Rudramurthy. On the pin tweet, I've just put it, and they've all been written by them in their from their Twitter handle. So, guys, thank you so much for all of you who gave me that concern to take care of my health. I require just some rest, nothing else. Every day, 2 video plus non-stop 3 days of work plus managing business plus my personal trade plus taking care of HNI clients plus business plus family plus lot of things has given me some amount of physical strain. I'm sure if I get good sleep, take some rest, I'll be back normal. But still, irrespective of all this, I want to give you guys more and more to see you guys as profitable traders, and I want to see your success through which I see my success. Thank you so much for being part of this program. See you all. Take care. Bye bye.